So what makes Minima so unique in the blockchain landscape? Well, for one, it's the world's first layer 1 to run in full on a mobile phone, putting the power of blockchain into everybody's hands, making it the world's first completely decentralized blockchain protocol. Every user on Minima runs a full constructing and validating node on their mobile phone, desktop or Internet of Things device. My name is Rico and I teach people about new crypto projects. And if this is something you're interested in and want to learn about future new projects, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and to hit the like button if you think this video is helpful. Minima is designed to be ultra compact, to remain completely decentralized and to not have rulers, and there are no miners and no ever-growing database. The problem they see since the release of Bitcoin in 2008 is the increasing centralization of all crypto projects. Every single cryptocurrency operating today has sacrificed some or all decentralization in the race for increased scale and supposed security. Centralization causes huge efficiency gains after all, but if one group of users is paid to perform any task on the network for the rest of the users, this inevitably leads to centralization, as is shown by all the major crypto networks. Current miner-centric networks rely on a relatively small number of users running full validatory nodes that process every transaction, ensuring that no one cheats the system and no one accepts an invalid transaction. The solution Minima has for this is turning all users into equal and complete node runners. This means that if someone wanted to disrupt the network, he'd have to bribe or attack 51% of its users to even stand a chance. And with a launch target of 1 million nodes, persuading 500,000 of them will be astronomically complicated and expensive. Because every user is equal and runs a full constructing and validating node, each user has full control of their data, identity and online transactions. This also means that there is no middleman, no miners, no stakers and no block producers, and the result, complete decentralization, effectively solving the blockchain trilemma. Now let's take a quick break and thank today's sponsor, which is SOLR. They've asked me to do this video after succeeding on a private sale with Minima. I'll be sure to link their Discord and Telegram in the description for you to check it out. And joining them will give you the possibility to join in on private sales and be super early when it comes to new projects. Minima operates a validatory network like Bitcoin rather than a computational network like Ethereum. And computational networks require far greater resources to operate than validatory networks. And Minima consists of 4 protocol layers, and each layer contributes to making Minima a truly decentralized peer-to-peer network for value and information transfer. 2 of them are off-chain layers, which are layer 2, and a Maxima layer. And one is on-chain, which is Minima, and the other one is for Web3 applications, which is the Mini dApps layer. And the Minima layer 1 is an on-chain, censorship-resistant value transfer layer. And all transactions on this layer are processed by all nodes on the network. And as a backbone for communication, it uses the peer-to-peer system. The Maxima layer is a censorship-resistant information transport layer that runs over the Minima network. Messages can be sent off-chain to chosen connected peers, and the communication is point-to-point. And then there are 2 layers left, of which the first one is layer 2. This is a fast, cheap and scalable and enables instant peer-to-peer payments by creating bi-directional payment channels between participants using technology similar to Bitcoin's Lightning Network. A Mini dApps is the final layer, and these are truly decentralized applications built using the functionality enabled by the Minima network. Value transfer on Minima, information transfer on Maxima and unlimited transactions per second on layer 2. Now how it works is this: you have the Minima blockchain where all the on-chain transactions are processed, and every node in the network collectively comes to consensus on the state of the blockchain, so all transactions are accounted for. Maxima is an information transport layer enabling encrypted peer-to-peer exchange of information between first and second-degree connections on the Minima network. Maxima can be used to build censorship-resistant messaging applications over the Minima network and will be used for sending messages for layer 2 communication. All transactions can be performed off-chain on layer 2 after users have set up their transaction relationship on Minima. This allows transactions to be much faster because they are no longer settled on the blockchain and are being processed by the relevant users rather than the entire blockchain. And the Web3 applications of the Mini dApps can be used for things like gaming, social messaging, identity, exchanges and DeFi and wallets, and the front end of mini dApps can be written using the widely known JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So now that we know what Minima is and how it works, let's look at how to get involved. Minima has an incentive program to allow you to assist them in their development. And by doing so, you can assist in building the Minima network, test how different devices operate, find or fix bugs on the Minima network, help enhance the Minima application and protocol for the mainnet launch, and help grow Minima community membership and participation. And what you need to participate is a device that uses Android 9 or newer, a PC, a Mac or a Linux machine. And for all you iPhone users, I have some good news, because even though you can't participate right now, I'm sorry for that, they do plan on making this possible and it's scheduled for early next year. Also, anyone can run a node. That means you, me, your neighbor, your friend, anyone can start receiving one Minima reward each day. And these rewards will be added to your balance weekly. And the easiest way to earn extra rewards is by inviting other people to join. You can also earn additional rewards by finding bugs as a tester, participating in one of the test cycles. And these incentives have grown Minima into already being the largest blockchain in terms of node count, operating in over 150 countries before this even hit mainnet. And you can join from the website or join their Discord channel, where the majority of conversations take place. The links for the website and Discord can both be found in the description for your convenience. Please be advised though that the rewards will be available at the token generation event scheduled for Q3 this year. So this means that you won't receive them straight away as tokens until they are generated, of course. So for questions regarding the incentive program, I highly encourage you to go to the Discord or to their Telegram. Now before we move on, please keep in mind I'm not a registered financial advisor. These videos that I make are not meant as financial advice, but are meant to be educational and entertaining. And if you want to learn more about crypto and talk everything related to it, please join my Telegram, which can be found in the description down below as well. Now let's have a look at their tokenomics. The TGE of Minima is set for Q3 of this year, and the total token supply will be 1 billion. And the total supply of Minima tokens is fixed and pre-allocated. As there are no dedicated miners, there's no method for minting new coins after mainnet launch. And this is one of the unique features of their cooperative proof of work chain. And the team and advisors take up 14.05% of the tokens, and they are vested linearly over 3 years, starting 3 months after TGE. And after 3 years, they will still have less than 25% of the total tokens released. So that means the team and advisors have a very long vesting schedule, which is something I always like to see. Speaking of teams and advisors, the founder and CEO of Minima is Hugo Failer, and their entire core team consists of 26 people. The management team consists of the CEO, CTO and CMO, and the roadmap runs from February 2019 till the end of 2023. And in the upcoming quarter of this year, they will complete their final private round, reintroduce mini dApps and announce some major global partners. And for their mainnet, this will be launched in Q3 of this year, and their socials are Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Medium, GitHub and YouTube. And I'm always found on projects that run a YouTube channel, because that gives them the opportunity to visually tell their audience the plans and developments and allows them to interact in the comment section. And if you like crypto and want to learn about crypto projects super early, I highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel and to check out that playlist. For now, my name is Rico, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Doei!